Alright, so I'm going to demonstrate for you today this lobby system that I made with GameMaker. And first I'm going to show you the editable files. There's the server right here, and then there's the actual game file. Alright, so the server just has one object. Pretty much everything's in the step event. As you can see, it has, it reads all of the messages that it receives from the clients and processes them. This is all the coding that I've done in the server. And now the lobby, the client program, here's the control, which takes in all the messages and reads that and all this other stuff. And I spent a number of hours on this, so this is a pretty large file for not actually having a game yet, and that's the entirety of its coding. So now I'm going to demonstrate it and run these both. Oh hey, my desktop. Beautiful. Alright, this is the server here. It just has like a red light as it's lit up, and then now as you can see it's started. And here's the menu, which right now only has two buttons, play and quit. This would be where we put in a login system that gets information from the MySQL database, which I haven't done yet. But when I play, the server sends a message, and well, actually the player sends a message to the server with the name that they want. So let's say I want to be Tech Cupcakes. And then the server hears that, and it processes name filtering, and it shortens to 13 characters if it's too long or whatever, and then it gives back what your name is after all the changes. Alright, so obviously there's no rooms here yet, so I'm going to go ahead and create a room. And oh yeah, I have some issues to fix here, but the title, we can just name it whatever, add a password, and as you type the password, it will show with asterisks. You can do this with any text box. I could do it with this if I wanted. If you hold a key, then it will repeat it. I can set the maximum number of players from 1 to 8. This code used for this drop-down box actually supports some choices, and it could be anything, not just numbers. And then I've got these different choices for the mode. I have search and destroy, explore, and minor. And it doesn't really matter what I pick right now. Then the map, which I can just simply go through by clicking on the arrows. So we'll go with dimension X. Now I create a room, and then it showed a little loading down there as it was connecting to the server, and the server processed it and said, okay, it's good to go, and then it's sent it back to the player. And oh, I just realized I have the server out of the window. But there you have that. And now I'm going to go ahead and open, oh, not another server. That's not what I meant to do. I'm going to open another client so I can show you the lobby list when there's a room in there. This person will be named Pieman. And as you can see, that's my room right there that I made. I only made it with one person allowed to enter the room, so when I try to enter, it'll say that the room's full. And you can enter by either doing join or double clicking. And then if you have more than 4 rooms, then these arrows right here will scroll through, and you'll be able to see all the rooms. And it's infinitely extendable. It uses a DS list to list all the rooms, and this right down here is just an example of what it will look like. It doesn't actually take any statistics yet. So yeah, that's basically it. That's my lobby system, and I'm going to add a waiting room, which is what this gray space is right here. Obviously I haven't done that yet. Oh yeah, but one more thing. I want you to see the windows here. As you exit the room, it will ask you if you want to exit. Then it disappears off the list for the other players. So it does send data back to all the other players as well. Then finally, if I close out the server, then it will tell me that it lost connection. I'll have to quit. So that's it, and I hope you liked it. I hope that you believe I actually know what I'm doing now, and hope you're interested in helping me with this.